This is my chair mat, and the chair mat is simply just a piece of 1/4-inch hardboard from Home Depot, and I notched it to fit around. I have these two Ikea desks or these drawers just to fit up close there. I was tired of this thing with the mats that I bought at Ikea, which are relatively cheap, but when you put them together, there's a joint. That joint would always break. I would tape it. I would try all sorts of things. Instead of building something elaborate out of, say, a laminate flooring and make a border as a 4x8 sheet, and it works great. So I don't really go left to right too much, but it does in and out just fine, as well as for me standing here all day at the other stand-up desk. That's the main reason why I wanted a big chair mat, because when this comes out, I was tired of it. You know, a normal chair mat will stop 4 feet, maybe 5 feet. This being 8 feet is much better, at least. So for, I think it was like maybe $8, get a piece of hardboard at the Home Improvement Center, and then if you need to notch it around anything, you can do that. I ended up just scoring it a couple times with a box cutter to make that cut, and it's been in here for about a year. And you drop stuff on it, or kids' stuff, drool, and it absorbs and it's easy to clean. So I would recommend this.